Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off or reboot Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. So here is my phone, Redmi Note 13, and if you want to turn off this phone we have two ways. The first one is to push long on the power button like this. Google Assistant appears, but keep pushing, and now from here you can power off or reboot your phone. Also we have a second way. You can push and hold volume up and power button like this, and again from here you can turn off or reboot your phone. And if you want to use only the power button and remove the Google Assistant from this button, it is very easy. Just go to settings and here go to additional settings. We have here gesture shortcuts, and here we have launch Google Assistant. Just turn off this option, and now if you push it long on the power button you will see that the power off menu appears. Now, this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.